Everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to cook chicken biryani for a potluck at our friend's place. So today it's not just about cooking biryani, also we'll get to know the taste of a biryani from our friends. So let's get started. First let's add oil. Next add onion. And fry these onions until they turn dark brown in color. The onions are cooked. Let's add ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for a while. Let's add curd now. So I'm going to cook 5 cups of rice today. So my proportions are accordingly I'm using. And then let's add coriander and mint leaves finely chopped. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. And let's add tomatoes now and wait until all our tomatoes are cooked. So tomatoes are cooked, let's add chili powder and then biryani masala. I have a separate video on how to prepare biryani masala and I will provide the link in the description. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. And now I'm adding salt. And now we can add our chicken. And finally I'm adding lemon juice. And I'm adding little water. And let's close it with the lid and wait until the chicken is cooked, maybe 20 minutes. So while our chicken is getting cooked, let's cook basmati rice. I've got a vessel and filled it with water and turn on the heat. And let's add 1 spoon of salt, small cinnamon stick and few cloves and let it boil. So the water is boiled, let's add our basmati rice. So I've soaked it in water for 45 minutes and I'm using 5 cups of basmati rice. And don't cook this rice for more than 60%, okay? So just cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and see if the rice is cooked 60%, then you can turn off the heat. So our rice is cooked now. I'm going to turn off the heat and drain the water. Now take a tawa, turn on the heat on a very mild flame and then we can keep our biryani vessel. Let's check our chicken. Okay, chicken is cooked. You can taste the gravy now, and if you want to adjust the salt or spice level, you can do now. And now we can add our rice carefully. And now take the gravy from the sides and spread it on top little bit. And let's add a little ghee and then red food color. And spread it a little bit. And finally coriander and mint leaves, and then close it with the lid and on a very mild flame let it cook for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. So looks like our rice is cooked. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down for 10 minutes. So there's our biryani, guys. I have transferred it to a tray and let's take it to our potluck and let's find out what our friends got to say. Starting to our friend's place now. So we are almost there.
Pizza.
என்னாச்சு? Okay, now let's hear from our friends. So guys, how's the biryani?
Wow! Biryani super!
Okay, thank you guys.